Sexy ka ba? Successful ka ba? Smart ka ba? Right person do the wrong thing, it will always be right. But when the wrong person do the right thing, it will always be wrong. So it's not about the doing, but it's about the person being. And if we don't start with the person being, kahit ano pang opportunity, kahit ano pang mechanism ang bigay sa'yo, hindi talaga mag-work yan. Kasi hindi mo sinimulan with the way you think. This is something that I want you to start to understand. This is all about changing the way we look at money. Money is never about money. Naka-attend na ba kayo ng mga money seminar? Nakabasa na ba kayo ng mga Rich Dad, Poor Dad? Did they ever talk about money? 80% of what they say is really who they are more than what they do. So let's focus on who more than the how. Because when the who is clear, the how will appear. Kasi wala namang manual sa buhay. Ikaw ang gagawa ng mong sariling manual. Kaso lang hindi klaro yung who. Never work for money. Yung mga taong gustong-gusto ng pera, pero yung pera hindi sila gusto. Friend, alam ko na bakit hindi ka crush ng crush mo. Gusto mo ng sexy, gusto mo ng successful, gusto mo ng smart. Sexy ka ba? Successful ka ba? Smart ka ba? Yun lang yun. So if money is never about money, maybe money is all about the energy we carry as